Welcome to Beauty Space platform. Beauty Space is an ideal regional online meeting place for beauty professionals to connect with the global beauty community. Now let's start to explore the platform. Once you have logged in, you will be navigated to the main page Explore. On this page, you will find the event details, featured sessions, quick links, prospect recommended to you, and view your upcoming meetings. First of all, let's set up your profile. Navigate to the smiley face at the top right, click on My Profile, and you may update your profile details accordingly. Next, go to the app settings. You must set your notification frequency and choose your preferred language. On the agenda page, you may have a full rundown of the event schedule. Here, you may view the highlighted session. You may search and filter session using the drop-down function. Click favorite on the interesting sessions or join the live stream. Next up, at the Meet page, you can update interests to load the best recommended profiles to meet, personalized just for you. On the Search tab, you can view the complete list of companies, exhibitors, and products. Enter keywords in the search box to find matches. You may select a category from the drop-down list provided to narrow down matches. You may bookmark the company profile. To schedule meetings, click on Meet. Click on Interesting Profiles to view more information. In the profile, you may include a personal note why you would like to meet the company and select you're interested in meeting them. Please remember to click Send Meeting Request. On Request Receive tab, click here to view the pending meeting requests. This is where you will be able to accept or decline requests. On My Schedule page, you may confirm your schedule for the day of the event. Click on the time slot that you would like to block. Click Confirm after you've looked through the time slots. Yellow indicates available. Gray indicates block. Green indicates meeting has been confirmed. You may update the time zone according to your regions and it will be displayed throughout the whole time. You may set to receive a free notification within 15 minutes before your meeting on your preferred channel. Click on the Edit button beside Sync Calendar to choose your preferred calendar to start syncing your schedule to it. To reschedule a meeting, click Reschedule. To cancel, you may click on Cancel button. On the same My Schedule page, you will be able to view all your confirmed meetings with video links. To attend the meetings, click on the Video button. During the meeting, you will be able to send messages as well as share your screen. During the meeting, you may invite third party to join by sharing them the meeting link. Meeting can accommodate up to 6 participants. After the meeting, you will be prompted to rate your video meeting experience. To send messages, click at the top right button. You will be able to connect with the other party. The chat features in the messages include sending image or documents, send virtual contact card, schedule or reschedule meeting, and conduct instant video call. To view your dashboard, click Traffic Analysis located at the top right corner. You will be able to view bookmarks, visits, and impressions. Aside from the traffic, you may view the Matchmaking Analysis. Click at the top right corner. Here, you will be able to have an overview of your meeting status and request conversion.